So just have a quick run through some features on this. It's got a quick release handle, so you literally lift that, handle goes down. You can adjust that wherever you like it. Push that there. This one releases and the handle will slide either side. You've got height adjustments here for raising and lowering the brush, because you want this to sit level. So with different brushes you do have to change what height. You just pull the pins and that goes up and down. Ego motor, 2 batteries, only needs to run on the eco setting. Terrazza are claiming 1 hour off a single 12 amp and obviously 2 hours with two 12 amps. So you can clearly see there, this is cleaning all the algae off. Not done and done. So a real nice brush that. We're going to try that on a porcelain patio tomorrow. I mean, you'd think this had been pressure washed, wouldn't you? But we're not damaging any of the stone. So we'll get this finished up. Get this rinsed off. See if we've got a bit of a grime line on here. I always use the blower like this as well, as I find it helps push the water where you want it to go. And you could do it like this, but you're going to be here ages. Yeah, you can really see the difference there now. Really impressed with that. Be interesting to see what this looks like when it's dry as well. So, we've reached the end of the video. It's looking a lot better now. All the residents are really happy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you can, like and subscribe. Any comments, get them down below. We'll see you in the next one.